Hello, all you beautiful people. Today we're taking a tour of a stunning ranch style home in Bloomfield Hills, Michigan. This beauty boasts 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and a walkout basement that practically screams potential. Grab your mug of coffee or mimosas, no judgment here, and let's step inside. First impressions are everything, and this house absolutely nails it. The spacious foyer immediately sets the tone for the rest of the house. So much natural light pouring in thanks to these gorgeous windows. And check out the gleaming hardwood floors that flow throughout the main level. This is definitely a home that was made for living. Now on to the heart of the home, the kitchen. This one is a chef's dream, with stainless steel appliances, custom Italian cabinets, and an island that provides tons of prep space. When we talk about that breakfast nook, the perfect spot for your morning coffee or a casual family dinner. Storage is no joke in these kitchens. These cabinets are deep and plentiful, so you'll never have to worry about where to put all your pots and pans. Attached to the kitchen is a garage and main floor laundry. Back of where the dining area and living area meet, there is a door to the covered deck. It's very spacious back here, and it really is such a serene little spot. Plus the view of the backyard is just gorgeous. Okay, this living room is a showstopper. Soaring ceilings, a cozy gas fireplace, and plenty of space to relax and entertain. I can already see myself curled up on that plush couch with a good book, or hosting game nights with friends and family. I love the little details here, like the built-in bookshelves and the recessed lighting, and those windows. I also love the chandelier in here and the way the hardwood is laid out. They went with diagonal in the center of the living room, adds a nice little flow. Now the secondary bedroom and bath. This full bathroom boasts entrances from both the main foyer and secondary bedroom. The secondary bedroom has a walk-in closet with built-in shelving. Plenty of room for whoever needs the second room. Now it's retreat time. The primary bedroom is a true oasis with a walk-in closet and a spa-like ensuite bathroom. This is the perfect place to unwind after a long day. A soaking tub and a walk-in shower? Yes, please. This bathroom has everything you need to pamper yourself, and I'm loving these floors. Such a luxurious touch. There's also a small office just outside of the master suite. It is the perfect place to get work taken care of, or if you don't work from home, it could be a nice library or meditation room. Well, wait, there's more. This house has a full walkout basement that's basically a second living space. There's a spacious living area, a kitchenette, a home gym, and even 2 flex rooms that could be used as additional bedrooms or a home office. The kitchenette down here is perfect for making snacks or coffee without having to trek upstairs. And the home gym is just the motivation I need to get my workout routine back on track. These flex rooms are so versatile down here, you could use them as guest bedrooms, a playroom, a media room. The possibilities are truly endless. And let's not even forget about the fact that you could rent out this bottom space, put a separate key to the back door, and have a renter help pay your mortgage. Boom, easy house hack. You have 2 bedrooms down here, a full bath, and a kitchenette. I don't know what the rent is in your area, but in this area for that, it's quite significant. Now, we can't forget about the outdoor space. The curb appeal is on point, with professional landscaping framing the charming exterior. The backyard is private and spacious, perfect for barbecue, playing yard games, or just relaxing in the sunshine. The patio is the ideal spot for enjoying the fresh air and soaking up the summer sun. I can already imagine spending evenings here with friends and family, grilling up some delicious food and making memories that will last a lifetime. No more than a 5-minute walk from Square Lake, this home is an outdoor lover's dream. City life isn't out of the picture either, with Kego Harbor 10 minutes away, downtown Birmingham 15 minutes away, and downtown Detroit 45 minutes away. You can enjoy all aspects of life every day. So there you have it. This stunning ranch-style home in Bloomfield Hills has it all. Space, style, and endless potential. Whether you're a growing family, a couple looking for a comfortable retreat, or someone who loves to entertain, this house is sure to impress. If you're interested in learning more about this property, or want to see any other properties in Michigan, be sure to check out the link in the description below and contact me, Nolan Grout, your licensed realtor in the state of Michigan. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing home tours, like this one that YouTube thinks you'll enjoy.